What it do, YouTube? I'm back with another video, but it's another public prank. Hey, we getting down for real. We gonna act like we got COVID in this bitch. We gonna add to it on that. Yeah, we gonna sneeze on these motherfuckers, and they gonna get mad. I don't give a fuck. Hey, they gotta catch me. But yeah, tune in, and you already know how we getting down. Subscribe. Yeah, bro, that shit crazy. Yeah, I got tested for positive for COVID. I don't even know how. That's crazy. They also said I got AIDS and shit. I don't know how that would. Fuck. What happened? Oh shit, God, he put out a gun. But yeah, bro, they said I got COVID. They also said I got AIDS, but I don't know what them doctors talking about, man. I barely be touching females like that. I don't know, bro. I don't even got a mask on in Walmart, and they over here not even tripping.
Hey, bro, what's up with you, bro?
Hey, bro, chill. Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out, man. Chill out. It's a prank. All I know is they said I got COVID and shit. And AIDS. I don't know how that worked. Hey, my allergies kicking in. I don't know how this is supposed to go. Yeah, but I don't know why that doctor said I got COVID. I don't even feel sick. I just sneeze a lot. I need that vaccine though, no cap. Hey, bro, you got the vaccine? Dang, that's crazy. They just said I got COVID. I don't know how that worked. Hey. Hello? Yeah, bro, that shit is true. Yeah, they said I got COVID. Yeah. I don't know, bro. They also said I got AIDS for no reason. I don't know how, bro. I don't even be touching females like that, bro. Dang, bro. I don't know, bro. But
did you just pee on me, sir? What the hell is wrong with you?
But don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm sick.
Sneezing on me and shit. God damn it, I should kick your goddamn ass.
But yeah, bro.
Shit. Sneezing on motherfuckers and shit. I don't play that shit. Wait, did you film me this shit? Hey!
Yeah, bro. They saying I got COVID. I don't even know how this supposed to work. I gotta get some toothpaste and stuff. They also said I got AIDS. I don't know how that works.
Damn, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah,
You
bro.
just sneezed on me, bro? What the fuck?
What happened, bro?
You just sneezed on me?
You tripping, bro. But yeah, I don't know why they said I got COVID. I don't even be around people.
Fuck.
But yeah.
You got COVID in you.
Yeah, bro. They said I got COVID. They said I got AIDS and shit. I don't know how this supposed to work.
What the fuck? I just know, like, what's wrong with you, bro? He did not just sneeze. Bro, come on, bro. Bro, shit tripping, bro. Oh, God, it's like, what the fuck? Like, bitch really got fucking COVID now.
Yo. Yeah, bro. They said I got COVID and shit. I'm not even supposed to be out like that. Yeah, bro. But yeah, bro. They say I'm sick. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do now. My mom said I'm not even supposed to. What happened? What you talking about? But I can't cover my face. I ain't got a mask on.
They just walked
But
by
yeah,
his
bro.
hands.
I don't know.
But this shit like so fucking. Finna pump.
What? You say you trying to size me? But you can't size me, bro. You on the pup, bro. Man, that's what it. Bro, you ain't ready. You say you can take it off? Yeah, you can. Bro, you ain't about it, bro. Yeah, you're not about it, bro. You're not about it, bro. You're not about it. Yeah, bro. They said I got COVID and shit. I don't know how I got COVID. But I gotta get the stuff from my sister for her birthday. Yeah, I also got tested for AIDS. Achoo! Damn.
Don't wanna go back. I'm chasing money, not a bitch, and you should know that. I get that bag and hit my dance like I'm loco that. I might look sweet to you, but you can still